like Zoho, HCL, Shopify. So they have started their own talent development programs where they are sourcing or identifying the students during the school time itself or right after the 12th. Then they are admitting them in their own programs and then training them as per their own custom requirements, and finally they are absorbing them in their own companies. Good thing about this is that students are getting prepared by their future employers. So in a way they are more or less confirmed of their job which they are going to get. But the challenge is that these companies are not providing them any formal degrees. So whatever good or bad we say about degree, but I personally feel that degree still has a lot of relevance, and it's going to be like that only. So I don't feel that at least in the next 5-10 years, so I don't see a future where that degree is completely irrelevant. That's not going to happen. College sites, so students are not getting skilled properly as per the requirement of the industry, and students end up spending lots of money on their education, but still they are not skilled up to a level. On the other side, students are getting skilled, but they are not getting a degree, and even if they are getting degree somewhere, so that is either in a distance mode or some online mode or something like that. Third, obviously, always is the hybrid solution, which is the best solution. So this is what the CodeQuotient Academy is coming up with. So we are a sort of a academy which is coming up with the industry mindset. We understand what is the requirement of the industry, and we understand the timelines, we understand the methodology to prepare the students for that. So we are catching the students right after the 12th, and plus we are doing all this into the formal education system. So we are redefining the formal degrees, and we are providing all that training into the college infrastructure, college environment, so that students should not miss the basic college environment also and the basic formal education also, which they need after their 12th.